features available in the new release of Windows Phone 8. These features are the customizable size style that make good use of the start screen, the live updates that is being pushed to your lock screen, the new maps that makes use of the new Nokia technology, Location API, which is similar to the one used for Windows 8 Store apps, which means there is a lot of code reused in this part, an amazing application called the Wallet presented on the phone, where you can save all your credit, debit cards, loyalty and membership cards, and even access previously saved deals to pay for these deals using one of your cards on the flow. Speech API is being presented using the text-to-speech as well as voice commands, but what makes it better than other platforms is that you have now the feasibility of making customizable voice commands to speak to your own application. VoIP is integrated in the phone experience, which means whenever I receive a VoIP call, it will look like a normal native phone call. Screen resolution are different in the Windows Phone, but as a developer, you don't have to care about that, since you will pick only one specific resolution and your whole app will auto-resolve up and down accordingly.